In this video, I'm going to show you how to add holidays to QuickBooks Time. Now, first, you want to go to bottom left here, click on Feature Add-ons, and you want to go to Time Off Codes, and then in here, you can add a new one, okay? So click on Add New, and of course, you can name it Holiday. So I'm going to type in Holiday like this, there we go. And of course, it could be paid or unpaid, up to you. And then you can assign this to individuals or groups. So I'm just going to assign this to everybody over here, click on OK, and there we go. I'm going to click on Save. That's the first thing you have to do. Now, whenever you've done that and you've of course assigned your codes to employees, then you can just go ahead and add the holiday hours. So to do this, the easiest way is to go to time off over here, and then of course a specific person can go and do that for themselves. They can click on add time off either here or here, and then whenever they do this, they can go ahead and of course add that. Now I can search for team members because I'm an admin over here, so I'm just going to do it for example for myself over here, but I could do it for someone else too. Then click on continue. You can go and select your code. I'm going to do holiday, and then the date as well over here. You can add multiple days if you want to, and then notes as well, and then just click on the save button over here, and that's how to add holidays in QuickBooks Time. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.